and thank you for stopping by. Now I'm going to show you some comping and some riffs that you can use with chords when you're playing reggae. I'm playing over A, and that's G. To hold that is the first string, 5th fret, second string, 5th fret, third string, 5th fret, which gives you A minor. Second chord is G major, so it's first string, 3rd fret, second string, 3rd fret, and 3rd string, 4th fret. Like so. Others that are important are, so that's C. After we move from the C major, you want to learn next the B minor. Again, it's similar to the A minor, the shape. So just 2 frets down, and you hold it in the same shape. So that is actually the first string, 7th fret, second string, 7th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret. Alright? So that's B minor. Then we go back to the G. So instead of holding the G down here, like I showed you earlier, we're going to hold it up here in that fashion. So we are at the 7th fret, so first string, 7th fret, second string, 8th fret, and 3rd string, 7th fret. Okay? So what I was playing, I was going. So, and then I change it from that to go. So I'm holding the A minor, the G major here, and the G major there. Okay? And then sometimes I go, so I slide from the C major to the B minor, and then the G. Alright? So that's all I'm doing. So when you put it together, I don't play it the same way each time because you need a bit of spice, a bit of variety. So you go. So all I'm doing is playing it 3 times. So the first strum is, I let it ring out. The second strum, I relax it and mute it. And the third strum, I let it ring out. But you have to do it fast. To do it slow. Now it doesn't matter if you use an upstroke or a downstroke. It's 3 strums. The first one, you let it ring out. The second one is muted, and the third rings out. Alright? So then you move it now. The G, you strum twice down here, like so. And then you come down to that G, and then give it another strum. Alright, there you go. That's pretty easy. 1, 1, that's what I want you to do. So let's play that together then very slowly. After 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how I want you to practice that. So practice that over and over and over. Now let's do that with the backing track to hear how that sounds. That's it. Practice it and make sure you get it right. Okay? Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, and remember to become a member. Members will get the backing tracks. Shout out to all those people who have become members. Thank you very much.